Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to turn off Mac startup sound. Let's start the video. First, what you have to do, just click on Apple icon here, top left. Now go on System Preferences. Now here, just go on Sound. Now under Sound, you can see here 3 checklist box: play sound on startup, play user interface sound effects, play feedback when volume is changed. Now just you have to untick this play sound on startup. Now your Mac startup sound will be off. If you tick this again, it will again on, and from here you can just select the sound, what kind of sound effect you want: breeze, poop, bubble, crystal, funky, and so on. So this is the pretty simple step to turn off your Mac startup sound or change the sound effects from here. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.